In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Planner template. So in order to do that, we need to head over right here to this My Plans option. Then click onto this Create New Plan. Now it will show you in here this screen that allows you to choose from basic plans with grids and boards, but we also have simple plan, project management, software development, employee onboarding, as well as business plan. So here are some basic and premium templates, but we also have a lot more templates available onto this board. But on this case, let's just choose project management, and you can choose in here some templates available. You can see in here the actual incorporation of what it entails. Then after that, click onto this use template. Just input right here the name. So let's put in here ABC project. Then you can add it to your pin plans. Click on the Let's Create option right here, and this will create our plan right there. So this plan has this specific template, and it will automatically open once added. So here is our actual project management plan. It has initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and a lot more. Don't worry because you can still edit what this list have, and you can see that we have board, we have a grid option, we also have a schedule, and you can also see the particular task on charts right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.